This is the NOC Analytics training course going into your NOC Analytics dashboard and the reporting with your CRM. What we are going into today is what is NOC Analytics. For some of you, this might be brand new getting into analytics. Others, it might just be a refresher of the analytics dashboard, but we're going to talk about what is analytics and then go into your reporting, starting with the NOC Insights dashboard. And then from there, we're going to jump into the core reports that you can find in analytics with three separate focuses, really looking at agent performance, marketing, and tours or property. And then we're going to wrap up with the My Reports section where you can save reports, share out reports, and even schedule reports for future delivery. What is NOC Analytics? So when it comes to your CRM, we obviously have specific metrics we want our teams to meet on site. We also have specific metrics related to our marketing, making sure our marketing dollars are being spent and bringing in the most revenue. So really the analytics dashboard and reports are there for you to review those metrics to see if you're meeting those goals that are set in place, where you might need to make adjustments, or when it comes to agent performance, where you might be making those coaching opportunities happen with your on-site teams. And as we get into the reports, you're going to see how you can look at those metrics and use those to essentially make those best business decisions for your properties. So we're going to start with the Insights dashboard, and the Insights dashboard is a customizable NOC Analytics dashboard, essentially, with the reports that are most important to your business and the workflow of your day-to-day. From the Insights dashboard, you can customize goals. There are different ways to view and filter reports, and you can even share, export, and save those reports from the Insights dashboard. And what's great is from each of the tiles in the Insights dashboard, you can access the actual report that feeds into that metric. So let's go over to our Insights dashboard here, and let me show you what that looks like and what I am talking about. So over here, you have your navigation bar. Insights is going to live under the My NOC tab. So this is where you're going to go ahead and see those different benchmarks or insights into the different type reports that you can pull. What's great about the Insights dashboard, again, is that it's going to give you that current percentage based on the metric set in place, the benchmark in place. And it's also going to let you know any properties or prospects, any properties that might be underperforming below the goal that is set. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's go into just the responsiveness report here. So it's going to go ahead and pull up your properties down here that are assigned to you in your analytics. At the top here, you see you have a goal with a date range, and we'll get to the date range in just a moment. Each of these Insights tiles has a goal set in place, and it is defaulted to industry, whatever your industry standards are. However, this is customizable, meaning you can actually go in here and you can change this to meet whatever the metric is for your properties that you have in place. You can see the current percentage here, in this case, the current responsiveness rate. And then below here under the properties, you can actually see your different properties and their performance setting at this point in time. When you drill down into a specific property, you can go ahead and you will see your team members at that property, what they are at currently, and are they currently performing individually, or are they below goal at the property? What's also great too is you can share this out with whoever is requesting this information. So if you needed to share this particular information out, you can simply click on share, and you would be able to then type in who that is going to, making sure you give it a subject, and you would choose PDF, CSV, and send that off to whoever is requesting that information. Now, again, some of these tiles do tie directly into a report in analytics. Perfect example is going to be, let's go ahead and look at the ad spend report here. So the ad spend report here is going to go ahead again. You can see you have that goal here. You can see you have your properties at the bottom, and you can see the performance. Are they above or below goal? If there is a report with that specific tile, you can access it directly from the tile. So we will be looking at the ad spend report here in just a little bit. But if I wanted to go directly to my ad spend report, I could click on the tile from this main Insights dashboard and go directly to the report in Analytics. So that is a new feature here, is being able to access the report directly from the tile. From the main page here, as you can see, I've got the ability to look at all properties, or if I want to go ahead and just look at a specific property, I can. And I can go ahead and customize a date range for these insights to go ahead and reflect. What's great is once you update the date range, it will automatically update those numbers on your insights to match the date range you have filtered and selected. So this is a really great snapshot of those tiles and essentially those metrics that you are measuring at your property to go ahead and really see how your properties are performing and being able to then drill down into those more specific details. Now, when we get into the actual reports themselves, those are the reports the reports we're going to get into tie into this. So this is really important data, just giving you that snapshot versus drilling into the report right away. Where can I make edits to the benchmarks for my insights and goals? So looking at that percentage, where can I make edits to that benchmark? And it shows A directly from the benchmark tile. That is correct. I can make edits to that goal directly from that benchmark tile with that little percentage number or that number at the top. Very good. Nice job.